From rolling wheat fields to dense cranberry bogs, a Washington farm can look like many things. But the farm I'm visiting today is growing things you might not consider as typical crops.
So we've got a snowberry here, ponderosa pine, shore pine, grand fir, Doug fir.
Welcome to the Washington Association of Conservation Districts Plant Materials Center. From baby trees to shrubs of all kinds, they specialize in growing native plants for use in conservation projects. Director of Nursery Operations Tim Brown took me around and explained why they grow what they grow.
We're a native plant nursery, and so we're naturally real high on people using native plants, whether it's for a restoration project or home landscaping. They're plants that are adapted to our climate, and they don't need as much care and fuss. A lot of the wildlife are adapted to browsing on the seeds and fruit that they produce. Our biggest use of our plants would be for streamside restoration or riparian restoration to improve salmon spawning habitat. It could be windbreaks, it could be soil stabilization, it could be fire rehabilitation, it could be wildlife habitat improvement. So all these things are grown from seed.
Okay.
And they will grow for 1 or 2 years out here. Then they'll be harvested with literally bare root as opposed to potted plants.
I see, okay.
We grow over 70 species native to the Northwest, and we produce about 2 million plants a year. So these are 2-year-old conifer seedlings. With bare root production, you got to wait until the tree is dormant before you lift them. If we bare rooted them, lifted them right now, they'd die. This winter, they'll be harvested and find their forever homes. These little broadleaf plants are snowberries, and they're very popular in the restoration field. For one, they're just really tough. A lot of these restoration projects are being planted out in some pretty weedy areas. And sometimes they'll do some maintenance and take care of them, but sometimes they're planted and people walk away, and it's up to them to survive. These are different species of willow.
Okay.
These will wind up being a 3-foot long stick.
A stick?
Yep, just a 3-foot stick. They come in bags of 100, and you can stick the stick in the ground and it'll root out and produce shoots and become a willow plant. So if you have this big long stream you're trying to revegetate, you just plant it with sticks.
Wow, I had no idea. I mean, everything looks so healthy.
Yeah, just great soil. Pilchuck sandy loam here. Next April we'll come in with a lot of chicken manure and work into the soil and plant barley as a cover crop. And then the next year we grow a crop on it. And it grows just great gums.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Nothing like some chicken poop to make your plants grow.
Our fall seed bed, which is that whole field, is about 14 miles, linear miles of these beds. That's a lot of plants out there.
That's a lot of plants. You live and breathe plants.
Pretty much.